Okay, the final step is to add this antenna connector. We're going to use an L bracket like this, and we're going to use these little connectors so that we have something to screw against. We have 4 big screws that we use to connect this onto the Z-axis connector. Okay, so let's get started. Our goal is to mount this about right here. And to make that happen, we're going to have a screw that comes up the bottom. So let's get this in the Loctite. So from the bottom here through the bottom of here, we need a screw right here, and that actually looks like maybe too short of a screw. So let's back that out. Let's try the long screw. That looks about right. And we're going to try to connect this to it. So this is really hard to hold. Hold all these pieces together is a little bit complicated. Now that didn't work because the screw threading stopped, so it looked like it needed a longer one, but it didn't. So it needs to go back to the medium-sized screw that we were using. And it looks like it has a little bit of Loctite still on it. It's the wrong hole. It's a really tricky position to hold all 3 of these together. Oops, that's the wrong hole too. That wants to go down there. Okay, so there's one of the screws. Now we need the bottom half of that connected. Okay, so we have the L, we have our structure that'll hold the antenna, and then we have this little connector inside there to provide something to thread it to. Okay, we need 2 more screws. And again, we're going to connect from these. All right, and 1 more screw. Okay, so there you go. Let's tighten all 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that provides the mounting for the antenna. So the antenna is going to sit right in here. It's going to bolt right onto the Z-axis, and it'll allow us to swivel. And that's it.
And we will extend the life of the International Space Station likely by more than 5 years, while actually using it for its intended purpose, conducting advanced research that can help improve the daily lives of people here on Earth, as well as testing and improving upon our capabilities in space.